Sabrina Ionescu's New York Liberty may have fallen to the Phoenix Mercury in the opening round of the 2025 WNBA Playoffs, yet the star guard remains in the spotlight through her evolving sneaker line. The Nike Sabrina 3, her third signature basketball shoe, recently surfaced in a striking green shock, vapor green, vivid purple and black edition. Inspired by gaming aesthetics, the model flaunts near-fluorescent green textile uppers highlighted by purple patterned swooshes and tongue detailing, delivering a bold and futuristic look. Photos reveal its energetic vibe, blending performance with style for fans and athletes alike. Despite playoff elimination, Ionescu continues to influence Nike basketball with daring designs that reflect her dynamic persona. The much-anticipated Green Shock Sabrina 3 is scheduled to drop on Nike.com by year's end, priced at $145, reinforcing Ionescu's impact both on and off the court through fashion, innovation, and performance.